What's up, guys? Usually I promote paid things, but today I promote something free to download, and it's giving you a lot of insight, much insight on how to rank your website efficiently with all the tools you need. It's called SEO Power Suite. Okay, and now what you can do is get Rank Tracker, Website Audit, SEO Spyglass, and Link Assistant. Now all you do here is enter your email address here, then you click Start Download. After that, you get all the links to your email. You get on-page optimization, competition analyst, performance tracking, backlink management, professional webmasters, SEO agencies, website owners, newbie SEOs. Anybody can do this. Anybody can use this software. I'm telling y'all, this is great software and it's free to download and test it out. Alright, so that's this video here. Like I said, if y'all want to check it out, it's called SEO Power Suite. It's nothing to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And alright, so after y'all check it out, you can see different pricing if you want to buy the software. You got SEO Power Suite for free. Got a couple of limited things, but you get the free download. Then you can order SEO Power Suite Professional for $299, or you can order the SEO Power Suite Enterprise for $699. So it's all up to you. Whatever works for you, whatever's your best, whatever fits your needs. And so check this site out. Say go ahead and click the download link here, and then we can go with quick highlights. You put in your domain name, it shows you domain strength and shows you backlinks, follow links, all kinds of stuff. So this is what you need if you're trying to rank your website in 2019. Once again, thanks for watching. Like I said, I can use some subscribers. I teach you how to make money. I even show you free ways to make money, free ways to optimize your website so you can make money. And alright, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.